One more, Penelope. One more. One more.
Watch your fingers.
One more. Can you reach it? Look, can you reach it?
She gets her fingers under there. There you go.
One more. Yay, Penelope. You have to move your fingers.
Her thumb's under there.
Get your thumb out, baby. Get your thumb out. There you go. She can hardly reach it. Here, do you want it a little closer? Yay! That works better.
Watch your fingers, baby.
He says, I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. Yay!
Penelope! Yay!
Good job!
Can I stop it?
Yeah. Now, did you get it in the beginning?